So with the gene expression, on the back of your paper, you wrote down some information, or you wrote down your essay. You should have some space at the bottom, and I want you to answer these two questions in a complete sentence. So here's question 1. Stop clicking that pen, please. So on the back of your paper, think about what we did yesterday with our ice cream. And I want you to answer these questions. Take about 30 seconds for yourself, and then after 30 seconds, I'm going to have you turn and talk to your partner. All right, turn and talk to your partner about question number 1. One person talk about question number 1. After that person has discussed, the other person talk about question number 2. It sounds like you're playing in Varsity. You should only be talking to people at your table, not someone across the table. I should hear communication. 20 more seconds. All right, freeze. So let's look at Madison. What did your group discuss about how is the well? Actually, let's go down here. What did your group or what did you explain why your ice cream sundae may or may not have looked similar to your classmates? And let me take that back from you, Madison, 1 second. Everybody, look at your classmates' ice cream. I was impressed by some creativity, and then I was unimpressed by some creativity. Okay, so looking at these different, because I'm seeing only black and white, but I gave you color markers to make it colorful so you can truly simulate your ice cream here. But looking at the variety of different ice cream sundaes, give me an explanation of why your sundae may have or may have not looked similar to anyone else's. Now, Matt.
So, I don't know if this is right, but I heard that our classmates might have similar ice cream flavors, but the toppings are different.
Okay, so you're telling me that some of your classmates may have had the same ice cream,
Yes.
but they may have looked different because they had different toppings? Okay. What did those toppings, what did the ice cream and those toppings represent? Brandon? Huh? I can't hear him. What's that? The DNA sequence. So they represented the DNA sequence, but those sequences of DNA were what? The traits or the characteristics or the starts with the G? Or your genes. So Madison tells us that some of your ice creams look similar or even different because you had different toppings, but those toppings represented your genes. May or may not have similar phenotypic characteristics as your parents. Jenny.
As I said, we're combined with both our mom and dad, so we may not look like either or.
I want to use the information from this example to help build this explanation. Raji.
I said, like, I kind of just said that.
I don't want you to freestyle now because now we talked together and we talked about what this was to help build on this. So now there should be no freestyling. Now you should be using this information because I've given it to you. Go. Okay.
I said, like, the ice cream, right? Can I connect that?
Yeah, keep going.
Okay, so the ice cream, we all, like, Aaron's and I,